Hello and welcome to an Animal Jam video. This is my first video of my channel. So I'm going to mention a few things at the end of this video, but let's just get straight on to it. So yes, I'm at my friend's den. So yeah. Where's she gone now? Ship here? Oh yes, she is. So yeah. Subscribe to her channel. Her channel is Wolf Boo Boo AJ. So yeah. And I will be saying another channel to subscribe to at the end of this video. Okay. Have you liked? Yeah. So yep, I'm still chatting to her. She says hi to all you viewers. And I'll say hi too. So yeah. I'm gonna say, can we trade? Can we trade? Sorry, I'm not getting you in. You do. Dun, 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 no. Oh yeah, yeah. I forgot I was filming. Sorry about that. Okay. I'm gonna trade her for a rare of mine. Except from I don't have any rare things of them. I'm just gonna give these rare things. Wait, no, they're non-members. I'll give her a member thing. I don't know if that's a fair trade or not. So yeah. I don't know. I didn't know that. Sorry, Lily. If you're watching. I didn't. Yeah, so yeah. We're just trading. No, I'm not letting her get that. A rare for not my rare blanket. Trade. Trade me. Okay, yeah, trade me. Yeah, and that's not that that wasn't me, it was just my mouth going. Don't worry. Don't think it what you think it was. Okay, I don't know what we're gonna do. Is she trading me? No, I can't do that. I love my blue one. Okay. Do it again. Trade me again. Me. Poops. Oh my god, okay. Why behind? What? I think she's going to the toilet. In Animal Jam. I don't know how that is possible at all. Yep. So yeah. So bye guys, I'll see you soon. Sorry about this video, it wasn't that great. It was just like a little introducer for you guys, just to introduce me and saying like it's my channel and stuff. So see ya, bye.